Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap your sides according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side. Okay, okay. So here we have the Four of Wands on your side. Let's see what's there on the side of the person you are dealing with. Okay, we have the Page of Swords on your person's sides and the most likely outcome. The Knight of Wands. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, with the Four of Wands, Librans, you are in a relationship or wanting a relationship with this person. You feel happy with this person and you view them as your long-term partner or a soulmate, or you want to have a family with this person, you want a commitment with this person, you're looking for a solid, stable, long-term relationship with this person. As far as your person is concerned, with the Page of Swords, yes, there is a new beginning, maybe even if it is a small one, but you feel good, you feel elevated, you feel as if you're on a pedestal, you feel good. This person, rather, I'm saying, this person feels good with you, this person feels as if they're on a pedestal when you are with them. But yes, there is a new beginning, a lot of clarity and communication as far as this person is concerned. On the mutual outcome, we have the Knight of Wands, so rushing in very, very passionately towards this person, or this person towards you. So let's see what we have behind the scenes with this Four of Wands. Okay, we have the King of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, on your person side, okay, the Two of Swords, the Justice, and the Page of Pentacles on your person side. Let's see, why is this Knight of Wands here for? The Lovers card has come off. I'll just see. I don't take the pop-ups now. Let's see if it comes up again, or if it is needed to be included in the reading. Okay, so here we have the Three of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you want a new beginning with this person. You see them as a person you want to commit to, but you are not opening up. With the King of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, you cherish this person, but you are not opening up at all. You are not showing your emotions, though you are very, very emotional about this person. You hold them close to your heart, you hold them as your cherished possession, a prized possession. You don't want anyone to take them from you. But the thing is, you are not opening up. Just wait a second. What does this? You know what is coming out? Very. See, this is something. It's, you know what? It's coming off as something which, when a child takes something from their house, they steal it. They love something. Suppose the child loves something, they take that thing from the house and they run outside and they try to hide it because they don't want their parents to see it. It's coming off like that. So this is something which you hold and cherish close to your heart, and it's sort of stolen from someone. Sort of not stolen here, I won't say stolen in this relationship, but it's something you don't want people to see it. You want to hide them from everyone. Yeah. The energy is, this is something, this person is something whom you don't want anyone to know about. You want to perhaps keep it a secret. You don't want anyone to see it, that you have this thing, this person. It's something like that. Wow. You just you just want to hide this person from the world, sort of. This person is so precious to you. So you're fearful that somebody may take this person away from you, something like that. You don't want anybody to see this person, actually. You don't want anybody to know about it. And perhaps that is why, that is the reason that you are keeping it a secret. You are not opening up. You are not even opening up, basically. You are very, very emotional about this person, but you are not opening up. How will you get a commitment then? Over here with this person, we have the Two of Swords, the Justice, and the Page of Pentacles. See, actually what I am getting here is that this person doesn't really know actually what is happening, and neither are they interested now. That's what I am getting. See, it's coming off like that. This person is in their own world. This person is in their own world, and whatever information is coming in, they are just closed off to whatever anybody has to say or you have to say. But I don't see you saying anything, actually. So this person doesn't even know really what is happening, neither they are bothered now. Okay, so this person is really not bothered, as to they are in their own world. They have closed their eyes to whatever is happening around them, and neither they are not interested in anything around happening around them. They are on their own and they are pleased with that. So they are in their own world. They are least bothered real as to what is happening in the world around them, or with you also, because you are not opening up. Perhaps they were interested initially, but as for now, I don't think this person is really interested in even knowing what is happening. So they are just they have just shut themselves off. And here with the Justice card, what I feel is this person is trying to balance their lives, their own life rather, I should say. So they are just trying to balance the situation. They are trying to balance their life, and they just want to focus on themselves. And here with the Page of Pentacles, what I am getting is this person wants to enjoy themselves on their own. So over here, they were waiting for you to open up perhaps, but things weren't clear. I see you facing them over here. But since the things were not clear, they didn't really understand what's going on, what is happening. So they chose to they have lost interest in it now. They are really not bothered now as to what is actually happening on your part, because you didn't open up even if you were interested. Okay, and maybe with the Page of Swords, since they have come off as a clarifier for Page of Swords, maybe this person showed some interest or communicated with you in whatever way they could. Okay, and you didn't respond. Can be that. Or they were waiting for you to respond in some way, shape, or form, or you to speak up. But when these things didn't happen, so this person was initially looking at you, waiting for a response, and then they just thought that since they didn't get any response, you didn't open up, this person thought there is no point. So now they are in their own world energetically, really not even waiting for your response, trying to take care of their own life, trying to balance the situation in their own life, and they are pretty happy about it. And here I see them enjoying in their own world themselves. They are happy on their own, that they are happy on their own. That's what I'm getting. Here is the outcome as the Knight of Wands. So here somebody wants to rush in very, very passionately. So all these are energies. You're doing it or not, you have to see. Because here you see this person as a relationship material, as a commitment material, but you aren't opening up. So how will you get the commitment? So, and that's what you are doing, and which is impacting this relationship. And here with the Knight of Wands, yes, you do. Somebody here is very, very passionate about the person and wants to rush in. So energy is that. But let's see what is actually happening here with the Three of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So now what I am getting here is that somebody here is in a great agony now. They feel heartbroken because their heart is tied to them. I think because you are not opening and this person is on their own. Now somebody here who wanted to move fast, though they want to move fast, but somebody here is heartbroken and they feel rejected and in a very painful condition now. And over here with the Knight of Wands, to be honest, I don't see any movement. I just feel that this person is happy on their own, whosoever it is. So somebody here is heartbroken and somebody is happy in their own life. With the Knight of Wands, they are chilling in their own life, and I think that is your person, because they have worked hard on their own stuff. That is what they were doing. But somebody here is enjoying on their own, and with the Ace of Pentacles, there is definitely a new stable beginning over here is there with the Ace of Pentacles. There is something which is coming up as a gift, which has deep roots. It is a deep rooted, stable beginning. Now I am getting two things out of here. Okay, I won't lie this. So it can be a new beginning for this person, because since both of you are, if somebody actually moves in with the Knight of Wands, then perhaps it can be a beginning of a deep rooted relationship which is stable, because I see that it is a gift coming to you in this connection. Or otherwise it can be a new beginning separately for both of you if you don't make a move. Okay, if nobody makes a move because both of you are sitting tight in your own energies, then maybe it is just a new beginning of your independent lives. Let me see if actually I get some more messages in this. Okay, we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Star. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Star, the Nine of Cups, okay, the Sun, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so this can be a new beginning of a deep-rooted relationship. I think it will work up. It will work out, rather, I should say, because somebody here is very, very upset in a very, very painful situation. They feel heartbroken. Okay, so maybe then somebody actually makes a move with the Knight of Wands here, and there is a deep-rooted new beginning coming in. I am saying that because it is followed by the Ten of Pentacles, which is talking about commitment and a family. Okay, so maybe, and this is how it started all over. That's what I said with the Four of Wands. You see this person as a marriage material, you can say, or commitment. You want to have a stable relationship and a long term with this person. So here it is coming in with the Ten of Pentacles. I think this is a new beginning because you're heartbroken someone here. New beginning towards commitment. That is this commitment which has come in, which grows with time. And here with the Ace of Swords, the Star, Ace of Swords, the Star. Yes, this is a new beginning, and here what I feel is that once you make this new beginning, you have the clarity and you are thanking your stars, you are thanking God that ultimately this has come true, ultimately you could do this. Okay, so because this is here, you are thanking God sort of as if your wish has ultimately been fulfilled. It's something like that. Okay, because you always view this person as a wish fulfillment, and here you are thanking God as to now your wishes have been fulfilled, you've done it, you've got it. And here with the Nine of Cups, with the Sun, and with the Seven of Wands, I see that you are now too happy about it, celebrating, being very, very happy. Is that with the Sun, definitely you are being very, very happy, and you really don't have any words to express your joy, and followed by is the Sun card. So you feel liberated, you feel that feeling that I've done it, and you're enjoying it. That's what I said with the Star also. You're thanking God here that your wishes have been fulfilled. You have that expression on your face that when you are very, very emotional while you are thanking God. Okay, you wanted it desperately, you really wanted it, and you weren't able to make it, and now your wishes have been fulfilled. Look at the expression on her face over here, and here you are now celebrating that, sort of feeling very liberated, as if when the result comes out and you're very happy, I've done it, sort of a thing. And okay, and you are very, very happy about it with the Sun card. And here with the Seven of Wands, again I just see you're just thanking God, feeling good, feeling content that you have been able to make it. That's what I'm getting here. So Librans, now let's see what is the guidance from the universe for this reading. The heart of the matter, there is more going on than meets the eye. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. So the heart of the matter, you need to understand the heart of the matter. If whatever is going on you are not showing, okay, this person has also stopped taking any interest. So if you really want to get things done, you need to understand that there's so many things going on. If this person was waiting for you, they will not keep on waiting for you for the lifetime. Obviously you have to understand that. Maybe that is not evident to you, but you have to understand that if you do behave like this person obviously will lose interest. So you need to see the things. Maybe there's a lot going on your side also. So both of you perhaps need to go to the heart of the matter. There are many things which you are not showing, both of you are hiding, but there's a lot going on behind, perhaps on both the sides. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.